Hello, Simon, my old friend. You're eating breakfast once again. The 7th breakfast since you rose from bed. 60 pride horses and a scrambled egg. And your guts sound like bags full of squashy beans in a washing machine. This is the sound of Simon. Put all the cafes on alert. Here comes a jumbo Texan shirt. He's pointing fingers at everyone. He's munching on a giant Chelsea bun. And the ground cracks and shakes underneath his shoes. They're size 22s. This is the sound of Simon. Methane emissions that can kill. He farts tunefully at will. There's people breathing without smelling. His intestines are rebelling. And the smell is like a vat full of steaming